Can a simple red background transform into something extraordinary? Let's find out together. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using a bold red base paired with black, gold, and white to create an abstract composition full of movement and contrast. In today's fluid art and acrylic pouring video, I'm sharing two completely different painting experiences. The first is bold, energetic, and full of dramatic movement, while the second invites you to slow down, relax, and simply enjoy the flow of color. Together, they show how the same creative process can evoke entirely different emotions. Red is a color of passion, confidence, and energy. Combined with black and gold, it creates a dramatic foundation that feels both powerful and elegant. Every painting begins with possibility, and I'm excited to see where this one takes us. One of the reasons I enjoy using stacked puddles is because the colors interact as they're pushed across the canvas. Instead of blending everything together immediately, each layer has an opportunity to reveal itself and create contrast throughout the composition. Using a blow dryer, I push the paint outward, allowing the colors to expand and create organic movement. As I watched the composition develop, I noticed a few areas that could use additional balance, so I added more stacked puddles and repeated the process, building even more contrast in the painting. Sometimes the best part of fluid art isn't the first movement. It's having the confidence to make another pass and see what happens next. Don't be afraid to revisit your painting. Sometimes adding more color or making a small adjustment is exactly what the composition needs. Art is rarely about perfection. It's about trusting yourself enough to keep exploring. Negative space plays an important role in abstract art. Filling certain areas with additional paint can create better balance and help guide the viewer's eye throughout the entire piece. Even a small change can completely transform the final result. Now the painting has come together. The bold red background creates incredible energy while the black adds contrast. The gold catches the light and the white softens the transition between them. To me, this piece feels alive, constantly moving and changing depending on where you look. I gently tilt the canvas, allowing gravity to guide the movement and connect the entire composition. Finally, I clean the sides of the canvas to give the finished piece a polished, professional look. Thank you so much for creating with me today. I love to know what you see in this painting, so be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the fluid art journey, please like and subscribe for more acrylic pour inspiration. And remember, stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. This painting isn't about instructions or techniques today. It's simply an invitation to pause. Take a deep breath, settle into the moment, and watch the colors move across the canvas. Sometimes we spend so much time rushing through life that we forget how calming it can be to simply observe something beautiful unfolding. Allow your mind to wander. Notice the movement, the blending, the contrast, and whatever emotion the painting brings to the surface. There are no expectations here, no right answers, just color, creativity, and a few moments to yourself. Thank you for taking this journey with me. I hope this painting brought you a little peace, inspiration, or simply a reason to slow down. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this relaxing experience, please like and subscribe. Until next time, stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you. I hope you enjoyed this video.